Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a closer look at Soshie, our social media manager in Sintra. In order to do so, here we are at app.sintra.ai and we're all logged in. And here we can find Soshie on the homepage. And we're going to go ahead and click on that there. And hey, it's Soshie. How can I help? Well, Soshie has a few things that we could take a look at. We can ask her about boosting our engagement on social media. We can ask about creating eye-catching promotional posts. And we can also analyze our social media performance. Let's go ahead and ask her how we can boost our engagement on social media. So just by clicking that, that brings the question down here into our chat box, and we're sending that, and then now Soshie is responding. So let's see here. Okay, so some information here about LinkedIn. So that's something that we can probably take a look at. And we'll just see here. I understand you want to boost engagement for Skillcraft by leveraging TikTok and LinkedIn. Given your focus on AI education and tutorials, I'll help create a cross-platform strategy that can drive traffic back to your YouTube channel. Let me help create and share some strategic social media posts to get started. I'll create posts for LinkedIn that can help establish Skillcraft's professional presence while also making some engaging content that can be repurposed for TikTok. First, let's share a professional update on LinkedIn about your AI education mission. And then that is what we're seeing here is this post that Soshie has created for LinkedIn. And if we want to approve that, we can click there, or we can go ahead and schedule that for later, which I'm going to do. We're going to go ahead and schedule that for another time. And then you can see here that we have the different options for scheduling. I'm just going to bypass this for now, but this will just give you an idea of what you can do as well and how helpful Centri can be with its various AI employees. I mean, it's really nice to be able to have something that just, bam, puts a social media post together for you, and then you can send that off, and that'll help to increase your reach. So here looking at the main page here, let's go ahead and click on New Chat over here on the left, and that's going to bring us back to this page here. If we wanted to, we could create some eye-catching promotional posts. We can analyze our social media performance. That's something that we could certainly take a closer look at. And then on the left-hand side, you could see we have our history and we have the question that we just asked there. And then we also have our power-ups that we can take a look at. So let's go ahead and click See All here. And that's going to bring us to Soshie's power-ups. And each AI employee has its own unique power-ups that you can take advantage of. And there's really some fantastic options here. So we can create engaging LinkedIn posts. We can create posts for X. We can create ads. A marketing buddy. It says, ask marketing related questions and get detailed answers. Social media strategy. We can create a calendar to stay consistent with our online presence. We can generate ideas for TikTok and also generate YouTube video scripts. There's a viral trend finder. We can find new winning viral trends in a specific industry, and a Reels script writer. We can create a script for our brand's next viral reel. So some really awesome tools here. I think let's go ahead and we'll just go through them one by one. So let's try the LinkedIn here. And so we want to create an engaging LinkedIn post. So in this case, we've got the AI revolution in the digital market. So let's go ahead and try that. And we want to select a tone. Let's go ahead and go with professional. And we can add some custom instructions here if we want, but we'll go ahead and click generate. And now Soshie is hard at work. And here we go. Now we have this great post that we can use for our LinkedIn. And it's formatted nicely. Here is a letter. It's really Fantastic. As we stand at the forefront of the AI revolution, I'm excited to share a bit about our journey at Skillcraft AI. We started as a small YouTube channel. What started as a small YouTube channel has grown into a thriving community of almost 4,000 subscribers, all eager to harness the power of AI tools. So that already just gives you a sense of what Soshie is capable of. I mean, it really is quite fantastic. So let's go ahead and head back. And let's go back into our power-ups, and let's go ahead and try an Ext post generator. And let's just keep it simple here. And it's kind of a similar idea here, but let's see, make a funny post. Yeah, why not make it funny? We'll hit generate. Okay, and here we have our nice little post that we can put on X if we want to. So let's go ahead and head back here. We're going to go back into our power-ups, and now let's take a look here at the marketing buddy. So ask marketing related questions and get detailed answers. So it's saying here, why is my CTR low? Why my CTR is low? Okay, we'll just put that. And of course, we can always, in each of these options, we can select more settings, and you can put in some custom instructions if you want to. And one of the nice things about Sintra is that when you generate something that is noteworthy, Sintra will remember that. And so you're always getting these tailored responses, and it gets to know you just that much more. And so in the long run, I mean, the potential for something like this is really quite incredible. So we asked why my CTR is low. To address the issue of low CTR click-through rate on your YouTube channel, let's dive into some specific strategies and tactics that you can implement to optimize your performance. And Soshie has given us a few options here. We've got thumbnail and title optimization. We've got targeted keywords and SEO, content relevance and audience targeting, engagement and community building, media buying and promotion, budget management. And all of these have some helpful information in each category, and we can take a closer look at that. But we're not going to do that now, just because we want to continue and show you all of the different options that Soshie is capable of. So let's go ahead and click social media strategy. And here we want to create a calendar to stay consistent with your online presence. And it's specifying a product name. So in this case, let's go ahead and say Sintra AI, because we are doing some tutorials for that. And bots that save you time. And we'll go ahead and hit generate. Okay, and so now we have our social media strategy for Sintra. We have our objectives, target audience, platforms to use, content types, posting frequency, key performance indicators, specific post ideas, and some really good information here just looking at each of these different categories: increase brand awareness and engagement, beginners and intermediate users interested in AI tools, detailed tutorials, how-to guides, 10 videos per day, TikToks 1 to 2 posts per day, LinkedIn 3 posts per week, Twitter 3 to 5 tweets per day, Instagram 4 to 5 posts per week, key performance indicators, subscriber growth rate, specific post ideas, YouTube, 5 ways Sintra AI bots can save you time. I mean, there's some really incredible stuff here to take a look at, and you can use this for your company as well. Let's go ahead and head back here, and we'll keep moving through. And here we have our TikTok writer. And let's just see here, bots that save you time. Okay, and this is actually providing us a little ad that we can put together for TikTok. And we even have a whole script and everything. So this is really, really nice. Ever feel like your to-do list is a never-ending story? What if I told you there's a secret weapon against the chaos? Meet Bot Buddy, your time-saving sidekick. While you recharge, Bot Buddy's got your back. So this is giving us something a little bit more generalized than what Sintra is offering, but you get the idea there. And that's really nice to be able to put together a script like that. That's very useful. And I think with YouTube, we have something similar, generate a YouTube video script. So let's go ahead and try something here. Generate a script for Soshie. And we're just kind of doing this off the cuff here, but if we wanted to do something then a little bit more formalized, then this is what we could do here. So we could see that Soshie is in fact generating us a script and an animated shot of Skillcraft's logo, upbeat music. You know, this is all just great. It's really fantastic information. Our format is a little bit more off the cuff, but you can see here that if you wanted to do something that was a bit more edited, we have all of the script details here. I mean, this is just an amazing time saver, brainstorm tool. It's really quite incredible. Viral Trend Finder. Find new winning viral trends in a specific industry. So let's go ahead and let's stick with AI. So Soshie is now going to look for some information regarding viral trends in AI. So here we have trend identification, AI-powered content creation, AI in everyday life, AI art and design, tutorial series, AI art challenges, behind the scenes, hashtags, formats, key phrases, tools, adjustment mechanisms. I mean, there's just some really incredible stuff here. We'll just keep moving through and let's see what the Reels scriptwriter has to say. And I think that this is pretty similar to the other options. It's just a little bit more targeted. So we want to create a script for your brand's next viral reel. So let's go ahead and put in Skillcraft AI, and we're going to hit generate on that. And here we go. We just have a nice little script here. This one's quite straightforward, but unlock the power of AI in just 30 seconds. Did you know AI can simplify your life and boost your productivity? From ChatGPT to mastering Grok 3, let's explore how you can use these tools like pro. Include quick transition showcasing AI tools with upbeat visuals and snippets. So a lot of really incredible stuff here, and you can see for yourself all of the different power-ups that Soshie has available. If we go here on the left-hand side, there's a section that says power-ups. And if we scroll through here, then you can see each of the assistants and the different power-ups that they have. And you can take advantage of these for your own business. And, you know, so far in the time that we've been able to use Centri here at Skillcraft AI, I mean, the information that we're just getting from this is absolutely spectacular. And I highly recommend this. In fact, we do have a link in the description that if you click on that, then you would be helping support the channel, and we would certainly appreciate that very much so. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.